Today exam, right? Yes, sir. Yeah, close the books. Close the books fast. Close the books and take the papers. Papers exam lab. I will tell the website name. So yesterday class we discussed the post mapping, right? Post mapping of what? Save. This is response when they return so many values, so three values, which is like status code and body. Status code, header and water body. Status See guys, today I'll go for the get mapping. Last class we done the post mapping. We return the employee. Employee with what? Response entity. Response entity contains how many values? Three. One is the status code. One is what? Body. Status code, header and water, body. So if you do like this, today in class we'll go for the get mapping guys. Get is used to what? Retrieve the data. Retrieve the data. See guys, you want to retrieve the single product or all products? So let me write the code for all the products. All the products means what? Simply can write the get mapping. So get mapping, yeah, get mapping. Give the URL like what you can say here, products. See guys, you can write the get all method. What method? Get all. One product, all products, all products. So you can write the get all method. See guys, after this example done, I will not show the code. You should write the complete code. Please focus on the getter. So just you can write the REST operation is going to get mapping with URL is what? Controller contains all URL methods, REST operation methods. REST operational methods. Yeah, so controller class contains simply can say REST operation methods, all URLs. The client request comes to the controller. So total 3 points we can say. Controller contains what? All URLs are REST operation methods. REST operation methods means what? Get, post, put, delete, patch, and all. All URLs and the client request comes to what layer guys here? Yeah, so 3 points we got the idea. So the controller layer contains all the what we can say controller layer contains what? All the URLs. Nice. After that what? Good. Yeah. So controller contains all REST operations. REST operations methods. All REST operation methods means what? Get, post, put, delete, and what? Patch. Controller contains all REST operation methods. Next one is what? It contains what? It contains the all URLs. URLs we are saying what? Routes. We are saying simply routes. And the client request is taken by the controller, right? The client request comes to what method request here? The client request comes to controller. The 3 points we need to get the clarity. After that, guys, go for the get mapping here. URL is like this. You want return the data, guys. As of now, simply let me put the void. See, guys, the get all means you want to return the one value, multiple values. Return type should be like, should have the sense like, okay, what I'm going to return. Here, what I'm going to return, single employer, list of employees are list of employees. Directly list of employees is the body, but we are returning the list of employees response entity object. That's what return type always should be like, response entity. Return type is what? Always response entity. Response entity, see, previously, if you save the employee, it returns how many employees? Single employee. What employee you saved, that employee is returned. What employee you saved, what? That employee is returned. But you want to return the single employee, list of employees. That's what response entity of what? List of employees, guys. And make sure that this list is belongs to multiple packages. See, this list is belongs to what? Jakarta package and all. But you want written what package? Hibernate, Jakarta, util package. Because collection means what? Util package, list of employees, click on the list of. Tell me guys, list of what? Employee. That's the return type, we have the clarity. What we are going to return to the client? What we are going to return to the client? What we are going to return to the client means response entity. We have just as what list of what employees. This is like get employees. Get employees. Get employees method is there. Simply can write the get employees. See guys, are you giving any inputs or just URL you are giving up? Just URL we are giving. There is no inputs. Because post mapping you are giving what? Input, but get mapping you are giving input and no input. Just you are calling the URL is like get all URL so that we should get the one employee, all employees. That's nice. Good. We need to give this URL to what layer is here? Service layer. What layer? Service layer. We need to give the data to service layer. What layer? Service layer. Tell me guys, what is the service layer here? Employee service dot get all employees. Get what all employees. Get all employees method I return, but service layer do you have this method? No. You just place the cursor and what? Reverse engineering, create the method. Then method is created automatically. This is what? Get one employee, all employees are. Yes, get all employees. So service layer, you simply call the repository layer method. To call the repository layer method, repository dot. Repository layer should have the method, but these people have the method. These people have the no methods. These people no methods, but the methods are coming from where? Nice. So the JP repository contains a find all method, guys. JP repository contains what? Find all. See, find all method is there. JP repository contains a find all. which returns one employee, list of employees are. See guys, you call that find all method. Find all method returns the list of employees. List of what? Employees. Just he can write the employees here. List of employees he return just util package we have to import. Just he can go for what? Return. What you are going to return now? See guys, this is right side always you are calling the methods. Left side we are always holding the data. This line don't forget. If you forget this line, you are not fit for industry. Simple. So before equal, after equal is what? Calling the methods. Any methods you can call. Service layer method, repository layer method. You can call the methods what? Before equal to, after equal to. After equal is always what? Calling the methods. That method what it returns, left side you have to hold it. For left side we have to what? Right side calling the methods. Left side huh? Holding the return value, right? Just what we are holding on employee, list of employees employees. Just you can go for return statement because this is a void return type. List of employees list of employee. List of employees. Just you can go for return type. This is what employees. See guys, what the method you are calling, how to hold the data, and what we returning. What we are returning. You call the method, hold the result, return the result. How many points? 3 points. Point one is what? Huh? This is the method. Call the first one is what? Huh? Call the method. So call the method means what? This is the calling the method. Call the method means this one is the calling the method. Second is what they say? Hold the return. Hold the return value means what the data is here. List of employees. This is the hold the return value. Third one is what? Return the value. See, this is the holding the value. This is what? Return the value. Return the value. See guys, this is the return the value. This return value should be matched with what? This return type, right? The return value should be matched with what? Return type. See guys, return value should be matched with the return type. That's what here return the value and make sure that and return the value. Fine. Return what? Value. Return the value. Return the employees guys. And make sure that the return type, the return value should be matched with the guys, we are returning what employees. Employees is what type of data? So return type should be what list. Return type should be what? Exactly. So here return the value. After return the value, the return type should be matched with return type. The return type or return value. The return value should be matched with exactly. So you should have this all the clarity, guys. See, once if you have that kind of sensor, then you have the fit for the industry. That's it. So like what method you are calling, what is that method return? I'm holding that value. After holding, what you return to other layer? What you return to what? Bond. How many points here? 3. Point one is call the method. What method you want? Service layer method, repository related method, use the method call JV. Call some method. After calling the method, store the capture the return value. After capturing, you return the value to other layer. You return that value to what? The return value should be matched with what? Exactly. The return value should be matched with what? Exactly. So call the method, hold the return value, and what? The return value, hold the return value and return the value. Return what? Value. The return value should be matched with what amount? Exactly. That's it, guys. Now service layer returns what? One employee, all employees are. Service layer return all employees to what layer? Deposit layer, right? What layer మా ఈ చదువులు చెప్పే కాడికి అమ్మగా Service layer return to what layer? Service layer return to controller layer. Controller layer. Controller model system. Service layer return the see. I return the clear that is service layer, which return the data to what layer? Yeah, this is a controller layer. Yes, this is a controller layer. We are calling the method. Controller people, you are calling the service method. This is right side is what? Calling the method. Right side is what? Right side is the calling the method. Controller layer, you return the controller layer, you are calling the service layer method. That is like is what? Calling the method of holding the return value. Calling the method. Controller layer, you please hold the capture that value. What the service layer return to you? What the service layer return to you? Huh? List of employees. That's what you can go for what? List of employees. Just you can hold the employees. This is what calling the what method? Huh? Calling the service layer method. Left side is what? Hold the return value. See, because only three things, call the method, capture the value, return the value. You will go return just say. How many points? 3 points. What is? You call the method. What method you want? Right side is what? Call the method. Right side is what? Calling the method. Left side is what? Hold the. See guys, even if you work with the chat GPT also will not get the clarity about this REST APIs because they never written the status code number one. You ask the chat GPT REST API calls, he never written the status codes. He always written the single status code. By default status code is 200. Number one. And number two, you always check the chat GPT guys. We never have the concept like hold the return value like that. Directly he written the statement, return statement like that. And I had that. He'll write the code like that. That is not at all standard in the real time. So ChatGPT is giving the possible data. What data? If we copy the code from ChatGPT, when I see the code, I can understand. Because ChatGPT given directly return statement. But classroom, I told that what hold the list of employees. Hold the list of employees. That is the way how identify what return values are not. ChatGPT, nice. They directly what? Return statement. Even service layer also, ChatGPT directly giving what? ChatGPT directly giving what, Amma? Here? Now, what statement here? Return statement. What statement, Amma? But ChatGPT is directly giving the return statement. Where is the service layer? So this is service layer. How many packages we have? So SRC main service layer, yeah, fine. See, ChatGPT directly what? Here there is no return holding the return value, return the return value like that. He directly do like this. He directly do like this. Why I am saying this, definitely you copy from ChatGPT. That time you please cross check once. That is a code I don't want. That is a code I don't want. If you write that code, I will check and I will display your code. You have copied code from ChatGPT. Copied code from where? That's what guys. I'm directly return the value, hold the return value, print the return value. Hold the return value and print కాదు return the return value. అంతే మీరు ఎవరు ఏం చెప్పినా okay, good. That is the data, guys. Go for the see this is calling what layer guys here? Service layer. What layer? Service layer. Call the method. Next one is what? Hold the value. How to hold the value? List of employee. Just you can type what? Employees and return the data. But here return the only list of employee response entity here. What? Response entity. In that case, guys, you write the return statement. Return what? Response entity. Response entity contains how many values? Three. One is what? Status node. HTTP status dot. See, guys, when you return the data retrieved successfully, that is OK status node. That is what? Okay. 200. 200 is OK. Data retrieval successful. Then what? We return the We written what? Okay. That's what status code is what? HTTP status dot okay. That's one thing, guys. Next one is what? Dot. What? Dot header. Header just I'm giving the info. And here you can go what? Data retrieved successfully. Data what? Retrieved. Yeah, data retrieved successfully. And last one is what? Dot body. Here, what is the body? Employee list of employees. List of employees means what? You copy the data, place the data. That's it, guys. Done the code. Any new thing? Very normal process. We got the URL is what? You call the what method here? Service layer method, get all method. Get all. In the get all service layer, you call it. Service layer is calling what method? Repository method. Repository returns one value, all the values are. All the values return that all the values. Wait, that's it, guys. Simply can run this code. Run this code. See, guys, to run this code, right click on the project, click on what start. Once we start, so the console is going to start. So there you are getting the Spring Boot. There we are getting what? Spring Boot. Click on OK. Then we can start with what? Spring Boot. Okay. Yeah, there is a Spring Boot console we got. And you please, yeah, table is created here. What the table is here? What? Employee. Employee table is created. Employee table contains what? 5 fields. ID we are giving auto generator. Yeah, I need to test this code. How can I test the code? Let me open the what you can say here. Swagger is better. Postman. Whatever you want, you can do that. That is like Swagger URL 8006/ just you can write what? Swagger hyphen SWA GGIR Swagger hyphen UI / index.html. If you write that, guys, you got the Swagger UI. In the Swagger UI yesterday class, how many methods are there? 2. Now today, what method is added extra? Get all is added. Now see, guys, like that I can see what methods implemented clear. See, guys, this is a save. This is what? Greet. This is what? Get all. You please save the records first because we are using the permanent database, in-memory database. In-memory database means data will store what? Temporarily. Data will store what? In-memory database we are using, guys. That's what the in-memory database. Yeah. See, guys, you can click on what? Try it out. Once if you click on the try it out, give the details. When you give the details, guys, ID is required, not required. Because ID is what? Auto generated. Just you can give the name. What the name is here? Okay. Salary is what? Some like 10,000.45 and department is what? HR department. Otherwise developer department. Fine. Last one is what? Gender is what, guys? Location is what? Mail, right? Yeah. Guys, like that you can click on what? Execute. Once you click on the execute, now see, guys, the data is created. But the URL, what the status code you got? ID is what? One. Location, developer department, mail. You got the mail, right? Nice. Guys, after that, you please try it out one more time. One more time, you can change the values. Location what? Tell me some name, guys, here. Avinash. Location what? Avinash, good. Avinash. Avinash salary is the 20,000. This is what department? HR department. Male or female? Just you can write the female. That's nothing. And about male, female, and then you can understand the clarity. That's what, guys. You can write the name is like what the name? Just you can write the Enka. What Emma? Enka. Yeah. Just you can write the female, click on what? Execute. If you click on the execute, guys, now you got the second record also. You please cross check the second record ID is generated or not. What ID, guys, here? 2. For the name, guys, here? Emma is HR, that is what? Female. That is good, guys. After that, see, I need to go for the get call. See, get call you can try with the browser also. Get call, we can try with what? Browser. Okay, I don't want to try with the browser. Click on this up arrow. Now we got the 3 calls. Here you can see, guys, try it out. Try it out. Here, do you have any inputs on that? No. Because this is normal what column? Get call. Column. Get call. There's a get call, guys. Click on what method directly here? Execute. If you click on the execute, now you got the data like now you got the data. Yeah. Now you got one employee, list of employee, list of employee. And the control. You control చేయి. బ్యాచ్ లో లేనా బ్యాచ్ లో జాయిన్ అయిట్టున్నావు. కొద్ది కంట్రోల్ చేయి. మరి తోలుతున్నట్టున్నావు. తోలట్లేదా? నాకు కనిపించలేదు. సూపు స్కిల్స్ పెట్టుకుంటే పోతాయి. Like that is what. Hey, that's it. One employee, list of employees. List of employees, this URL, guys. See that URL once, localhost 8006 API/v1. These are the common URL, request mapping you return. This is a base URL. But the base URL, actually, this is a base URL. Base means common for all. Base URL is what? API/v1/employee. Get all is an endpoint we are called. This is what, ma? See that only get call, guys. We can try the browser also. Only get call, not post and put and delete, guys. Only what call? Get call. Only get call I can try with the browser also. Only what call, ma? Get call. Get call I can try with the browser. In the browser, click on enter, guys. Once if you click on enter, now you got the data. So that is like only what call, guys, here? Get call. Only what call, ma? Yeah, that is a get call, guys. This is what I guess here. List. List contains how many employees, sir? One employee, two JSON, sir. Two JSON objects. Hey, this response is employee object, JSON object. But you return a JSON employer. You return the employee, but output is coming is what? Employee JSON. JSON. Ma? JSON. That is done by what? What library that is done by? Jackson. That is Jackson library. What library? That's it, yes. That's all. He likes the Michael Jackson. That's what he gave the library name is a band Jackson library. Let's pay. Seasons. Manaki any seasons? What seasons we have? Three seasons. What are the three seasons? Summer season, winter season, rainy season. Three seasons. In US, we have the four seasons. Extra season is the spring season. What season? Arthur likes that season. That's what he gave the name is like spring season. And you create your own framework. James Gosling, he likes the coffee beans. Coffee beans are imported from Java Island. That's why he gave the name is called Java. Coffee beans are imported from what? Java Island. Java Island. From island, he imported coffee beans. Coffee beans means what? Coffee beans. Coffee. He imported from the Java Island. That's a small island. The recently one plane is crashed in the Java Island. So anyone got the news? Java Island one plane is crashed. Fine, give it. He liked the Java beans and he liked the coffee. Coffee beans are imported from what? Java Island. That's what he gave the name is what? Java Island name he gave that. Some people are saying like Python. Python like Cobra. That's what Python. Cobra is a king for the jungle. It's not like that. Other like one web series like Monty Python Flying Circus. Monty Python Flying Circus. Monty Python Flying Circus is a web series in the US. He likes that web series. That's what from the Monty Python Flying Circus he take the name is what? Python. It's not like Amir Pet, we have the snake, cobras. Yeah. That's it. There is what called? Getting one employee, all employees are. Huh? Yeah. Please tell me the code one more time. See guys. All employees means you are getting one employee, all employees. All employees means what is the query? Query. Find all, right? The query guys. Find all. Final method or mail of printing. Final is what? I'm asking find query. Query. Select the star from the query you are writing the auto generator. Please cross check your console. Let us select query. Okay, what query? Yeah. So this select query guys. Selected. This is what query guys here? Insert query. Nice. Query manchi మాట అది చూడండి ఒకసారి. This is what? Insert into EMP values. This is one insert query. This is another insert query. Two queries we inserted. Then we are getting a selector. Select what ID, department, gender, name, salary from employer. From what? Yeah. So why the select query is running multiple times is because one time you are trying with the browser, one time you are trying with what? Swagger and what? Multiple times you are calling or one time you are calling on. That's what the multiple times query generated. But you can see that like what are the queries you are seeing guys here? This is like what that query here? Table. This is what table create. Then we are seeing what? Insert. Then we are seeing what? Select. The queries are writing on a generator. That is like insert query and That's it. Completed task. Huh? That's very nice. Hey, you please tell me. I will remove this code and service layer code also let me remove. I think repository layer is nice, right? Because you are writing any lines of code. That is nice. Yes. Yeah. Tell me the code for the get mapping. Ma? 1 second. Nice. Yeah. At the rate? Nice. Get all. Get all. Complete I'll write, no problem. Return time? This is a whose return type? Service type or controller? Controller returns only list of employer, his status code setters also. You do one thing. This is what layer code? They will know. Service layer, you talk. Then Venkatesh layer is very nice layer. మీరు చెప్పదమ్మా get employees. Simply can write one. Hey, here method names are not important. You can write any method names. Method names are important. URLs and return types are important. URLs and return type. Are you calling any method this method anywhere? Method names are not important. You can take any method. Yeah, now tell me. Employee service dot get all employees. Nice. Get all employees. Put the semicolon. Already చేశాక వాళ్ళు చేశారా అడుగుతున్నాను మరి ఏడుకుంటున్నారు అక్కడ how to capture it. You call the method. Call what method? Service name method you can call. Employee service dot get all employees. Get all employees. Then wait for what? Response. You write one method. Just you can place the cursor, get all employees. Nice. What you guys will do? Service let. Import ఇపార్జించి కాదురా మొత్తం చెప్పండి అది ఇపార్జించేట వస్తుందా అంటే వేరియబుల్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఎంప్లాయీ రిపోజిటరీ you call the repository final. Nice. Hold the ether value. What return value? How to hold it? Okay. List of. Return. This employee's return value and return type must be here what? List of. That's it. Done. Now we can come back to the controller layer. Controller layer, you got the service layer. What are people returns? Stuff. Then you can go from the list of what? Employees. What's sir busy? क्या list of what? Employee. Employees. Return. Return. Response entity. That. And. Status. Hey, you what? Response entity. Status. HTTP. Dot. Okay. Dot. Header. Info. Data. Data retrieved. Let's just put it. Dot. What word? Huh? Employees. That's it. Yeah, that's all. Simply can come to the browser. Please cross check first. Can click on the refresh. Do you call the get all employees here? But if we click on that, but do we have the get all employees? Try it out. Click on the execute. Do we got any data? Na? Response code is empty array. Because any records are there. Because that is a database what? Normal database, in-memory database. So data will pass. Click on this one. Click on try it out. And you can go for the values. And you can type the ID is not required. Name is what? Chandra color. Salary is what? Not department is what? I should give the HR, otherwise you can take an error runtime exception. The department is not available. Gender is what? Male. Sorry, female. Okay, that's fine. Click on what case here? Execute. The first record is done. Next one record because you can write the Chandu. Like Chandu, Chandu. Okay. Cool. Like department testing, testing, just you can male or female. If I write others, what you can say guys here? Okay, fine. Click on what? Execute. No, I think we didn't write for the gender that validations in that case. That's what it's taking what others. Fine. Guys, come to the browser and click on what? Refresh. Now we got the data. One is what? Chandraka, Chandraka, HR, Chandu, testers. Got it done? We got it up. Right up on this. Okay, remember the three methods. Today we are implementing the URL. What URL we are implementing this year? Get out. Hey, you please write the code. Listen. You write the controller layer. You write what? You write the service layer, you write the repository layer. Complete layers, classes with annotations, you take all. But controller layer, REST controller, request mapping, base URL, you can take base URL is what? API/v1/what? Employees. You take all the base URLs and all. What URLs are base URLs? What URLs? Base URLs. Base URLs you can take, right? What URLs are? You take the controller layer, base URLs. What URLs? Take the controller layer with base URLs. And you write the controller class method is one method. Don't write the post method and greet method and all. You write only one method, that is what? Get all employees. Service layer also you can write one employee. Repository also no methods, but declare the layer. Declare the layer. And you please auto while what layer is equal to what layer. What layer is equal to what? What layer? Use auto while. Enter it what? Auto while. Enter it what? Auto while. But make sure that we should call the method and hold the return value and what? Return the value, the return value should be matched with what amount? Return. Got it? Yes. Yeah, how long people evening will be quiet.